Hi everyone, it's Daryl Hogue again with Determined Living, and I want to welcome you to the third in a 4-week series of recipes that the Hogue family has been enjoying during our weight loss journey. I hope you've been able to watch the first two. I would encourage you watch today's as well next week, and hopefully you'll give them a try. And what I would ask you to do is please comment below. Let me know how they work out for you, if you like them, if you have any other ideas that you'd like us to share with you. So again, week 3 in our 4-part series of Hogue Family recipes begins right now, and I hope you'll enjoy it.